subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei's sub-brand Honor is all set to launch its new V series smartphone in China called Honor V30, and the company has already started teasing about the phone on their official website. Recently, the press images of Honor V30 has surfaced online by 91 Mobiles that showed the complete design of the upcoming smartphone. According to the press image, the Honor V30 is seen to have pill-shaped punch hole at the top left corner that carries dual selfie camera and has thin bezels around the edges of the screen. At the back, the phone features a triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash in rectangular module, which looks similar to Samsung's Galaxy M30s smartphone. The handset is rumored to come with 60 megapixel main camera. The volume rockers along with the fingerprint sensor are seen on the right edge, while the left edge appears to be bare. The bottom of the phone houses a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM card slot, and a USB Type-C charging port, while on the top it has IR blaster and secondary microphone. Unfortunately, there is no 3.5mm audio jack present on this phone. Talking about the specifications, according to the previous report, the Honor V30 is said to come powered by Kirin 990 chipset and it will support 5G connectivity. The smartphone is expected to include 4000 mAh of battery with 22.5 watts supercharge support, and it is set to run on latest Android 10 based on the top of EMUI 10. Apart from this, there is no other details of Honor V30 as known so far. Now talking about the release date. The Honor V30 has officially confirmed to launch in China on November 26th along with the Honor V30 Pro smartphone. So as of now, that's all we know about the Honor V30 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.